all the women out there that watch my channel that has husbands, if you want to see the true fact of what you've always called them, here it is. The horse's ass. Just saying.
Mud now, wine later.
That's right.
The adapters and everything you need. So
XBR 38 number class.
Florida. And I love seeing them Tim Buckle hats in the crowd now. That's what I'm talking. Yes, sir. That's the one that caught my eye. That red, just popping.
He's as bad as Uncle Packy. AJ, what's up, buddy?
I'm doing good.
Back from Texas.
Oh, every month.
I hear you. Hey, you know what? You've done said so much about.
Yeah, I put an ad on my bike that looks better than.
Yeah, I'm not even talking to you no more. Yeah. Haley, what's up, girl? They would much rather see you than him, I promise you. So tell me about this big old bike he's got here.
Well, it's alimony.
Alimony?
Alimony.
Golly, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you gonna let her drive it today?
She won't.
You wanna drive it?
I always drive it.
Dang.
Drive me crazy.
Oh, driving him crazy. All right, Haley, so, hey, look, if you drive or if AJ drives, which I'm sure AJ's driving, good luck to you, buddy, as always.
I appreciate it, thank you.
No problem, man. Y'all have a good one.
Thank you.
So I know on the big buggy we got some new portals, we got some new gears. It's a whole new build because you got tired of breaking the stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna try it. We got 8-inch billet boxes, Turner gears, new A-arms, new ball joints, redesigned link bars. So we'll see what it can do today.
All right, well, I'm not asking you nothing except, hey, good luck to you.
All right, brother.
All right, man.
See, Wild Man's got to make the 10 Buckle Ranch. Look, Wild Man is about it. Hey, ladies, in case you're wondering, he's almost married. I'm sorry. Oh, coming up next, we have Joseph Bakery back. You know the 2019 racer, he changed the time.
Good try, buddy. Hey, you're singing it.
St. Cloud very own Richie Gordon. Right here. You're going to make the video, brother, I promise you.
Me and Uncle Packy's going to the bar tonight.
Yes, and you and UnclePacky's going to the bar.
JJ arm drop.
JJ's arm drop. Cottonwood, Alabama.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you being here. Everybody give him a round of applause on best build of the day. Hold that thing up so we can see it now. TNT Off-Road, Trent and Trevor Jackson. Make sure you look them up on Facebook for all your build needs. Thank you.
And all these awesome fans out here, some businesses have put over $600 for these kids to run through the mud. So we videoing it. The microphone is dead. All right, so the mic died. We're gonna go on Mike's arm drop. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here they go. $600. You just won $600. What do you think about that? Give me some. What are you gonna do with that money?
He's going to Disneyland.
Going to Disneyland.
He's a winner on stage.
That is awesome.
AJ. We're pulling for you, baby. We're pulling for you. Don't give up. We are pulling for you. Song's appropriate. Come on, keep working it. We're pulling for you. All the way from Houston, Texas, AJ Robertson, XBR 1000. The machine they call side bet. Hang to the right, baby. All the way down it. Far right is good. Come on, you good? Come on. Give it to us. We're pulling for you. We don't need that seat anyway. It just covers batteries. How about you, David Bilbrey? You in the house today? Yes, sir. Appreciate the team, Bilbrey being. Come on. We're pulling for you now. Oh, yeah. I think he's got something. I think he's onto something now. If he can get that front end to lay down and grab, he's good. What do you think? She's saying rocket, rocket. Is that what you said, Lawrence? Rocket, rocket. AJ, turn that thing around. Let's try it in reverse. Maybe the front end will stand up. We come to Florida. Unfortunately,
just let it sleep. Yeah. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting when he broke down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, the words won't come out. He's choking now, everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, glass, man back.
he's still in the time limit. Razor 1000. He called him baby time.
Get some stuff. Come on, UnclePacky. Throw it in the house. Damn. Y'all stay tuned. We're throwing them, boys. There you go. UnclePacky, did you play baseball back in the day? Were you like Little League All-Star? Wait, he just got that one back. To see if they can outdo Explicit from Pensacola, Florida, and she's on it. Send it is the word. I love it. Back up and do it again. Back up and back up. I love it. I love some old school boggers now. A track right behind us. You don't have four-wheel drive? Ready? Listen, Explicit ATVs, I'm hoping. And they're going to represent XBR Bunny Hole. It's Tip Uncle Ranch. But he's also taking home $2,000.
go. Spread that money out. He's also taking home $2,000 cold hard cash. Matt, we appreciate you. We appreciate Explicit ATVs. All you've done for us, all you do for this sport. We appreciate you, my friend. Matty holds up.
Hey, thanks for Brandon Bruckles. Hey, right here, this guy, 10 buckle. Here it is. XBR. There's your winners right there. He's got some cash, 2 grand. We're partying tonight, boys. This is one of my sponsors, man. If y'all need FX whips, light whips, FX whips, put in FX whips, put in UnclePacky on their website to save some money. But they're badass whips, man. At 5 volt, they're super bright. They got like a million things, yeah. All right, guys, look. Today at 10 buckle, Saturday. Man, what a bounty hole. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. So, Brandon, you know, the owner of 10 buckle, he said, Packy, go over to AJ's rib crib and get you a bite to eat. Tell him I sent him over here. I said, all right. So here he is right here. What's your name, buddy?
I'm LJ. I'm the new owner of AJ's Rib Crib.
All right, so look, if y'all are anywhere in Cottondale, Florida area and y'all have an event or y'all have anything that y'all need these guys to come, y'all make sure y'all contact them. Look, it's right there. AJ's Rib Crib.
Disappoints.
Oh, Brandon Buckle right there, boy.
Get out of here, baby.
That man's all right right there in my book.
On you too.
Yo, YANKUM, baby. Got him tonight. Gotta put up your F350.